Alright, yourself and 79 are going to contact Bacon.
Correction, myself and 85 are going to make contact. Room 140. It's all female.
Clear
I'm
now.
about to knock. I'm about to knock. You want the number?
94, I'll be out of red group also. 94. 9045.
Go get a first unit here next. Go to the front desk, get a key, please. For 140. Lock, then you need a key. I can confirm it. Just let's stay out in front of the door.
Please.
Blue Ash Police Department, open the door.
Hello, ma'am. Not stepping out for me. I'm Detective McKinney, Blue Ash Police. Who just went in that bathroom right there?
My girlfriend.
Girlfriend? Okay. You know these guys out here?
Come out here. There's a guy in there. Come out here.
Hey, come out here.
Hey.
Police, come out.
Ma'am, step over there.
Step over.
Go on in. Do you have a seat right here real quick? Hey,
police! Step out with your hands up. Keep your hands up. Step out here.
Go back, open that door. Go back and open that door. And keep it open. Don't go back in there. Open the door.
Come out here.
2 people in the room still.
Police!
Everybody come out here now.
Hands up.
I told you to keep that door open. Get out here.
Put your hands on your head, back up towards us. Get your hands out of your pockets!
Hands out of your
Hands out of your
pockets.
pockets!
Walk
Come up
out
here!
now. Hands in the air. Keep coming.
You get him. Get down on the ground, face down. Get down on the
You
ground.
gotta start listening, dude.
They're not compliant.
Give me the other hand.
Who's in the shower?
Stand up.
Who's in the shower?
Don't be stupid, man. Who's in the shower?
Stand up. What's the name of the person who's Laura.
Laura! Open the door! Slowly come out with your hands up. Door's cracking a little bit. Door! Laura! Police! Slowly come out with your hands up. Come out here! The sink's flushing.
What's
The
that?
sink's gone. The shower's on. Come out here with your hands up! Slowly, other hand, come on.
Come on.
Come on out here.
Yes.
Throw it on as you're walking out.
Start up towards Red Room and I'll get in disregard right now. That's not compliant.
Just keep your hands out of the doorway just like that. Slowly walk towards us, come on.
Let's go.
Slowly walk towards us, come on. Slowly, put your hands on top of your head, walk towards us. Step out here, step out to that officer. Keep going, keep going. Is there anybody else in that bathroom?
Is there anybody else in there?
Don't be stupid. Is anybody else in that bathroom? You're getting charged with felony. Somebody's in there. Nobody else.